Hey everyone, welcome back my channel. Today we are diving into a platform that's super helpful for those looking to bring their own phone to Straight Talk. If you are interested in activating your phone through Straight Talk's network, you will want to know about stbuop.com. In this video, we will cover what stbuop.com is, why it is useful, and go through the simple steps on how to activate your device. So, first things first, what exactly is stbuop.com? The name stands for Straight Talk Bring Your Own Phone. As you see on my screen now, it is written on the package of the power of the product. Straight Talk Bring Your Own Phone here. So, and the website is essentially Straight Talk's hub for anyone who wants to bring their own unlocked phone to the network, whether you are moving from another carrier or just need to switch phones without having to buy a new one. stbuop.com is where you will handle the setup. When you go to stbuop.com, you will see options for checking your phone's compatibility with Straight Talk's network. It is essential to make sure that your device works with their system, and the website has a straightforward tool for that. All you need to do is enter your phone's email or MEID number, and the site will let you know if your phone is compatible. Alright, now that we know what stbuop.com, let's go through the steps for activating your phone. This is commonly called stbuop.com activate. First, you will want to grab a SIM card from Straight Talk if you don't have any already. Once you have your SIM, head back to stbuop.com and select the activation option. The site will guide, as you see here, you through entering your SIM card number and other basic details. So firstly, you need to enter your SIM card number, and then you need to choose your plan, and you need to complete the activation. And that is it. The stbuop.com activate process is designed to be easy and convenient, so you are up and running on Straight Talk in no time. If you are switching from another carrier, you can even keep your existing number or phone number during activation. Just make sure to select the transfer number option when prompted. So if you have been thinking about making the switch or just want to keep your favorite phone while saving on monthly plans, stbuop.com is the place to start. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching my videos. We are here to help.